Hey there, bug explorers! Welcome to the wild world of Asian insects. From shiny beetles to glowing fireflies, today we're going to discover some amazing creatures that live in Asia. Are you ready to meet the coolest insects ever? Let's dive in and explore their incredible secrets. Number 1 is Japanese beetle. These beetles are famous for their shiny, metallic green color and their love for eating leaves, especially those of roses and grapevines. Fun fact, they make a buzzing sound when they fly, and sometimes people mistake them for little flying robots because of their shiny armor. Number 2 is Asian ladybug. These ladybugs come in many colors, including orange, red, and yellow. They are great at eating aphids, which are tiny pests that harm plants. Number 3 is dragonfly. Dragonflies are incredibly fast flyers. They can dart around at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. Fun fact, dragonflies have been around for millions of years. Some ancient dragonflies were as big as a crow, with wingspans of about 2.5 feet, 76 centimeters. Number 4 is praying mantis. The praying mantis is a predator that uses its long arms to grab and eat other insects, like grasshoppers and even small frogs. Fun fact, a praying mantis can turn its head 180 degrees, just like in the movies. It's one of the few insects that can look over its shoulder. Number 5 is silk moth. This moth is famous for its ability to produce silk. People use the silk to make clothes, especially in China, Japan, and India. Fun fact, silk moths don't eat anything as adults. They only live long enough to mate and lay eggs, and during that time, they don't have mouths. And number 6 is Asian tiger mosquito. The Asian tiger mosquito has black and white stripes on its legs and body, making it easy to identify. Fun fact, these mosquitoes are great at surviving in new places. They've traveled all around the world in people's luggage. Number 7 is cicada. Cicadas are known for their loud, buzzing sound. The males make the sound to attract females. Fun fact, cicadas spend most of their life underground as larvae. Some species can stay there for up to 17 years before emerging to mate. And number 8 is tarantula. While tarantulas are spiders, they are not dangerous to humans. They are often kept as pets in many countries and are famous for their big, furry bodies. Fun fact, some tarantulas can flick tiny hairs from their bodies to defend themselves from predators. Number 9 is rice weevil. The rice weevil is a small insect that loves to eat rice and other grains. Farmers sometimes have trouble keeping them away from their crops. Fun fact, rice weevils can live inside the grains of rice and hatch their larvae right there. Number 10 is firefly. Fireflies are famous for their glowing light, which they use to attract mates. The light is called bioluminescence. Fun fact: fireflies can turn their lights on and off to communicate with each other, making them like nature's little flashlights.